Well, I just got something in the mail. I think I know what this is. I decided that it's 2026, the new year, January 1st. I decided I need to send myself a letter. I needed to write myself a letter. So I did. It just came in, and here it is. This letter is my 10 New Year's resolutions for 2026. The things that I need to get done with my vintage outboard hobby in 2026. And I thought I'd share them with everybody out there. So here we go with number one. Number one is master a new model line. 1950 Gale or Scott Atwater. I think I need to venture out of the Johnson Evan route and pick another brand or two to really focus on and master. That's number one. Number two resolution is to hunt for hidden gems. Attend at least 5 swap meets or antique boat shows to score undervalued motors to expand my collection. I need to expand my collection of motors. That's number two. Number three, this is a good one. Upgrade my tool arsenal. Invest in one high quality specialty tool per month. One specialty tool per month. All right. Resolution number 4 is balance with adventure. Take at least one boating trip per season using a restored outboard, blending work with pure enjoyment on the water. That's a good one. It's getting good now. Here's number 5 resolution. Take on a basket case project. Dive into my boneyard that's been sitting out there for 7 years and turn one motor into a runner. That's going to be a video, the boneyard motor. All right. So number 6 here is improve my YouTube thumbnails. Better visual effect. You might have seen it already. I've bought a little software and have a little more inviting visual effects on my thumbnails for my YouTube videos. And now the last 4 are more about paying it forward. How to use this hobby to pay it forward. Number 7, encourage youth involvement. Reach out to schools, scouts, or young families, offering free one-pull experiences or simple demos to inspire the next generation to get into the vintage outboard hobby. I like that one. These last 3 are some of the best ones of all. All right, number 8 is host a free clinic. Organize a local meetup or online session teaching common fixes like carb cleaning or ignition troubleshooting. Okay, and number 9, this is a good one. Gift a running motor. Restore a basic, reliable vintage outboard and donate it to a youth program, scout group, or family new to boating. Pay it forward. Donate a motor, Mike. Number 10, and I think I like this one the best. Offer beginner-friendly intro sessions online with free low-cost clinics, all right? Teaching basic maintenance and repair, targeting families and youth. So those are my 10 resolutions for 2026. My passion for these vintage outboards has gone to a new level now. I have the YouTube videos and I have quite a following. I want to thank all of you for all your comments and suggestions. If you think any of these resolutions might help you, just let me know. I love what I do. My passion is vintage outboards. And hopefully I wish every one of you out there a happy new year for 2026. See y'all next video. Hey, you want to win a free prize? That's right, Team Mike's giving away free prizes. All you got to do is go to Team Mike's website, teammikevintageoutboards.com. The link is below, and find the link for Team Mike's trivia quiz. There'll be a trivia quiz question on there, all about vintage outboard motors. Just answer the question and click submit, and at the end of the month, put your name in the hat, make a drawing. Whoever's got the first correct answer wins a prize for that month. All right. On the form, also, when you get there, at the bottom, It's got a section for a message. It says, talk about your vintage outboard motor or your experience with T-Mike. So if you want to put some personal details down there, I might read a few of them out during the live stream. So win your monthly free prize, no cost. Just go to T-Mike's website, tmikesvintageoutboard.com, click on T-Mike's trivia quiz, and answer the question. Here we go. I hope you enjoyed the video. I know I enjoyed making it. If you did, hit the like button and also hit the subscribe button and catch all my videos. You know, my passion are these vintage outboard motors. Johnson and Evinrude, 1950s, 60s, and 70s, 3 horsepower to 18 horsepower. I think I have all the videos, over 500 videos, on everything you need to know to repair, service, and restore your vintage outboard motors. I have all the parts, all the videos, and all the parts manuals for you to do that. I love what I do. The best way to reach me is on my website, tmikesvintageoutboards.com. You go to that website, I have links for everything you need. I have links for all the parts you need. If you don't know the parts you need, there's a link called the Parts Broker where you can fill out the form and submit it to me, and I'll find your part for you. All right. I also have a link for a mail-in repair service where you can ship me your carburetor, your gear case, or your magneto. I'll repair it, video it, put it on YouTube, and ship it back to you. I also have a link for technical consulting. If you have a question, just fill out the link. There's a donation page if you want to help pay T-Mike, and I'll answer your question and get back to you. That's the best way to reach me, is on my website, tmikesvintageoutboards.com. I love what I do. It's been a great ride. And remember, always remember, and never forget, here at T-Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time.